Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. I hope you all having an amazing day. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous candle holder centerpiece that could be the great addition to your home decor. In the past, I made this gorgeous Glam candle holder centerpiece and you guys really loved it. And so I thought I would make a slightly different version of this one, and I hope you like the one I'm making now as much as you did like this one. So let's jump into this video. So to create this candle holder centerpiece, you're going to need a glass bowl. We're going to be using 3 of these. We're going to be using this lavender color diamond wrap and this purple flower mesh. And I'll link all these items in the description box. So I'm going to start by gluing a 2-row strip of the lavender diamond wrap. I cut 4 of these and I'm going to glue them one after the other. Let me show you what it's looking so far. I just glued the 4 strips that I cut, and now I'm gonna add 2 single row strips of the flower mesh. Now for the second one, I'm gonna glue it so that the flowers fall in between the flowers of the one above, if that makes sense. Let me show it to you again. And now I'm going to continue adding more of these diamond wrap. I cut another 4 rows and I'm going to cover the remainder of the vase with this. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to decorate this candlestick holder with a 3-row strip of the lavender diamond wrap. And now I'm going to take one of these flowers from the flower mesh. I'm just going to use my scissors to cut one out, and I am going to glue it right here on my candle holder. Now I'm going to take 2 of these tea light holders, and they're so pretty. I love this color, and I'm just gonna glue them together. For this, I'm going to be using my Gorilla Glue and a little bit of hot glue. Now I'm gonna take my tea light holders and I'm gonna glue them right on top of my candlestick holder. And now I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to glue it on top of the candlestick holders. But for these, I'm only going to be using my Gorilla Glue. Now let me show you how beautiful my candle holder looks. It looks very fancy, very glam. I love how it turned out. Now for my second bowl, I decorated this one off camera, but I'm going to make this candle holder a little different. I'm going to use these two tea light holders. Now I'm going to glue them together in this manner, just like that, and then I'm going to glue my bowl right on top. Now let me show you what this candle holder looks like. It's looking really beautiful and I'm really liking this style. So let me show you the complete set. I made 3 of them and they look amazing. I love this color, but if you're a person that doesn't like purple, they sell the flower mesh and the diamond wraps in many different colors, so you can create your own. And so I really love the way this turned out, and as I showed you in the beginning, I made them in blue and gray. And if you want to see that video, I will put a link at the end of this video so that you can go there and watch that other video. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. That will really help my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a video. Have a blessed day!